Hi and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today we're going to be running through Wonderwall all the way through right up to the chorus, and this time we're going to have the capo on. So put your capo on. Instead of having it open, you're going to count 1, 2 and put it on the 2nd fret. Make sure that you get it up to the fret so you don't get any buzzing. Okay, so the chords are identical in shape as they are in the open position, but of course that's not their real names. Their real names are changed because we've transposed the guitar with the capo. Anyhow, without further ado, let's run through, and this is going to be run through from the first verse to the bridge to the chorus, all the way through. And I'll call out the chords as we're doing, and I won't be going too quickly either, so we've got plenty of time to get those chord progressions in and changes and the strum. And don't forget, when you get to the bridge, you're going to have that run down the G bit. Okay, so without further ado, and you can count yourself in. So we go 1, 2, and E minor 7, G, D sus 4, A7 sus 4, E minor 7, G, D sus 4, A7 sus 4, E minor 7, G, D sus 4, A7 sus 4. Then we're going to go to C add 9, D sus 4, and A7 sus 4 for a bar. 2, 3, 4. Second verse, E minor 7, G, D sus 4, A7 sus 4, E minor 7, G, D sus 4, A7 sus 4. That's twice through. E minor 7, G, D sus 4, A7 sus 4, and then we're going to do it the 4th time. 1, 2, change. G, 4, D sus 4, A7 sus 4. Now we're coming to bridge. C add 9, D sus 4, E minor 7, 2, 3, and you're holding it for a bar. C add 9, D sus 4, hold the E minor 7 for a bar. 2, 3, 4. C add 9, 1, 2, change 3, and you're going to run down that G, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. A7 sus 4 for 2 bars. 3, that's 1 bar. Again, 1, 2, 3. Okay, chorus, C add 9, E minor 7, G, E minor 7. That's once through. C add 9, E minor 7, G, E minor 7. That's twice through. C add 9, E minor 7, G, E minor 7, and last time C add 9, E minor 7, G. You can do half a bar. 1, 2, finish. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's the first verse, the 2nd verse, the bridge, and the chorus. It then goes on to do the 3rd verse, which is the same as the 2nd verse. And then it goes on to do another bridge identically. And then you do, instead of stopping for the half a bar, it just carries on and does the choruses 8 times or more, depending on which version you've listened to. Anyway, hope that helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know if there's anything you're interested in learning, anything you're interested in playing. Anyway, until next time, we'll see you again.